Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah states that Hazrat Abu Huraira and Hazrat Zayd bin Khalid Johni said, a desert Arab came and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, decide between us in accordance with the book of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. His opponent got up and submitted. He said, right, decide between us in accordance with the book of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Then the second desert Arab said, my son was a wage earner with him and he committed fornication with his wife. People said to me, your son will be stoned to death. So I ransomed him with 100 goats and a slave girl. Then I asked the erudite scholars. They said, your son will be subjected to 100 lashes and banished for 1 year. Thus Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I will certainly decide between you in accordance with the book of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The slave girl and the goats will be returned to you. And for your son there is a punishment of 100 lashes and an exile of 1 year. And O Unais, tomorrow you should go to this man's wife and stone her to death. So next day Hazrat Unais went to her and stoned her to death. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2695 and 2696.